Welcome to our channel. Today we how to archive posts on Instagram, feature tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Scroll to find the post you want to hide without deleting it. Tap the post to open it in full screen. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. From the menu that appears, choose Archive. Wait a moment and confirm the post disappears from your profile grid. Understand that archiving keeps your likes, comments, and insights saved. To view archived posts, return to your profile page. Tap the three lines menu in the top right corner of your profile. Tap Archive from the menu options. At the top, make sure you are viewing Posts Archive. If you see Stories Archive instead, tap the title and switch to Posts Archive. Tap any archived post to open it. To restore it, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the archived post. Select Show on Profile to unarchive and make it visible again. Go back to your profile grid and confirm the post has returned. If you cannot find Archive, update Instagram from the App Store or Google Play. After updating, reopen Instagram and check the menu again. If the option still does not appear, log out and log back in to refresh your account. Make sure you are using the official Instagram app, not a modified version. Remember that archiving is different from deleting because it is reversible. Use archiving when you want to clean your profile while keeping memories and data. Repeat the same steps for multiple posts to organize your feed quickly. For Reels, open the reel, tap the three dots, and choose Archive if available. For tagged photos, review them separately because archiving your post will not remove tags elsewhere. Check your profile after changes to ensure your page looks the way you want. Use this feature anytime you want to temporarily hide content without losing it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.